Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review between these two brainstorming tools for capturing ideas, but they work in different ways. And here's how they work. Notion is a flexible all-in-one workspace where you can take notes, build pages, use boards and tables, and also connect ideas however you want. Its simple layout and powerful organization tools make it easy to collect, structure, and expand thought in one place. Notion's AI also helps you write, summarize, and refine ideas very quick. Now, talking about Capacity focused on knowledge and ideas capture, organizing everything into searchable wiki-style system that makes it easy to find and link concepts over time. It feels very natural for brainstorming and building a knowledge base that grows with your work. It doesn't have as many layout or database options as Notion, but it shines if your main goal is quick idea storage and revival. So in my opinion, the Notion is best for flexible brainstorming plus project building, while Capacity is best for easy idea capture and long-term knowledge organization, and that's how both work. If you find the video helpful, people don't know the notification button and make sure you subscribe for more review.